Hello, I am Aniruddha Talole, lecturer in Computer Technology Department. Hello friends, today in this session we are going to perform the practical number 6 of database management system, and the name of practical is execute SQL queries using arithmetic, comparison, logical, set, between and like operators. So we are going to focus here the operator part. So what is use of operator? We know very well. To execute any kind of operator, we require at least one thing, which is a variable, and if more than one things are involved, then that can also be get performed evaluated using different operators. So at the end of this practical, you will be able to write the queries. That the query means the SQL queries using different operators such as arithmetic, comparison, logical, set, range searching, between and pattern matching. So let's go one by one. So this is a very first and important operator termed as a set operator. In order to perform set operator queries, you requires at least two tables. So on your screen there are two tables viewable. First one is a employee and second one is a employee 2. So employee 1 and employee 2 are the two tables. That means to perform a set operators query, you have to create two tables within your database. So these are different set operators termed as union, union all, intersection, minus. We have already gone through in a theory session with respect to all those operators in detail. Let us talk about in short what is use of union operator. Union operator actually combines a result of two tables but without duplications. So if my table contains a duplicated data, then I will not able to show the result of a duplicated values. But if I am going to perform practical which I wanted to take the duplicated values from both the table, then union all can be performed. So the difference between union and union all is union never takes a duplicated value, but union all takes a duplicated value, and the syntax of both are similar without their keywords union and union all. For example, for a union, select ename from emp1 union select ename from emp2. So I am going to perform union of this ename of employee 1 with the employee name of employee 2 column, and output will be as this. Okay, so kindly go through with this practical and check whether your output matches with this output or not. So like union and union all, next one is the intersection. Intersection takes the common value between two tables. So we having a table 1 as an employee 1 and table 2 as an employee 2. Then the common value which is available to employee 1 and employee 2 can get displayed using intersection operator. So after intersection, next one is a minus operator. Use of minus operator is to take the value from either one side of a table. So if I am performing task of select ename from employee 1 minus from employee 2, then the values which are available to this employee 1 can be displayed and none of employee 2. If I am taking employee 2 here and employee 1 here, then values will be employee 2 will be displayed and none of the employee 1. So this is first operator, union, union all, intersection, minus. Let's go for next operator. Next is arithmetic operator. So the arithmetic operator is a kind of operator which perform queries in terms of plus, minus, multiplication and division operator. So if we are using a query, if we are firing or we are executing a query in terms of these plus, minus, multiplication and division operator, then it says that it is an arithmetic operator. So what are the exactly uses of this plus, minus, multiplication and division are the exactly uses get performed by these operators. Like if I wanted to perform certain operation in terms of multiplication, then the query will look like this. If I wanted to display name of an employee with their annual salary, then query will be select ename comma esal into 12 from emp. As I am going to perform or I am going to display annual salary, hence here that employee salary is get multiplied by 12. So I have used here multiplication operator. So like this multiplication operator, I can use plus, minus and division. Let us take one more example. Deduct 200 from each employee salary. So to evaluate such a query, I will write select ename, then comma esal equal to esal minus 200. They have asked to deduct this 200 amount from the employee salary. Hence here salary can be treated by evaluating the actual salary minus 200. So here I have used this minus or subtraction operator. So kindly use all these operator within your practical sessions. Next go for next operator, and that is nothing but comparison operator. So the use of comparison operator is compare the value between two. So if I am having two values A and B, then I can perform comparison operator in terms of equal to, then not equal to, then greater than, smaller than, greater than equal to, or smaller than equal to, or less than equal to. So like that, these are the 6 main SQL comparison operator which are used for comparing the result or comparing the values between two variables. So let us have one query. Display employee whose salary is greater than 10,000. Here the question is we have asked to check the salary is a greater than, and that is why a greater than action is required. Hence we will use this greater than operator. So this greater than operator can be written like select star from emp where esal greater than 10,000. So output of this query will be the employee. Here we have inserted a star, hence all the details will get displayed, all the column details will get displayed by the employee who's having a salary greater than 10,000. So if I am going to search an employee with a name Soham, then that query will be select star from emp where ename equal to Soham. So this query will find out whether there is an entry of a Soham. As the Soham is a string, hence it is given in a single quote. So it will find out the ename Soham, and if find out, then all the details will get displayed. So like that, kindly evaluate all those operators by looking those examples. So next one is a logical operator. So logical operators are the operators which is used to perform or which is used to compare at least one condition, two condition, or both the condition, or any one condition at a time. So if I am using so different logical operators are and, or, not, in, unique. Syllabus point of view or exam point of view, this and, or, and not are the too much important, and we will focus these three operators over here. So and operator will check the conditions or will satisfy conditions from both sides. So two conditions if we are going to satisfy, then and operator is used. If we are going to satisfy either a condition from two conditions, then or is used, and this not is will not satisfy any condition mentioned. So let us have one query. Display employee who lives in Nasik and whose name is Swara. So see, here are two conditions: who are actually lives in Nasik and whose name is a Swara. So two conditions we are going to satisfy, two conditions we are going to verify, and in order to verify those two conditions we must use this AND operator, and the query will be select star from EMP where EADD, because address is asked, hence this is EADD is the column name of my EMP. So EADD is a Nasik, and this name is nothing but a column name. Within that column name I am going to search this Swara. So output of this query will be it will find whether that city is a Nasik and whether name is a Swara. If it is found, whole this found, then and then only the result will get displayed, otherwise nothing. Let us have one query of OR. See, display the employee who lives in Pune or whose salary is 15,000. So we are going to search for an employee who either lives in a Pune or whose salary is a 15,000. So two conditions are there. Any one of them, if get match, then and then result will get displayed. For the first case, two cases must be find out. But here either we are going to find out this Pune or this 15,000 salary. So query will be select star from EMP where E address is equal to Pune or sal is equal to 15,000. So out of this Pune or a salary 15,000 which is available, and depends on that condition, query's answer will get displayed. So that is biggest difference between this your and or. Matches both, matches one. Next one is a for a not. So if I am going to find out a query which is not available, so which I wanted to find out, that must be written using a not keyword. So if I am going to find out the employee whose joining date is not 5th of August 98, that query will look like this. Select star from EMP where not. So not means E hire date is 5th August of 98, but that is not like this. So query will be instead of this 5th August 98, everything will get displayed. So these are the logical operators. Next we will have range searching operators. So the range searching operators are the operator which takes the input in terms of value 1 and value 2, find out the records within that value 1 and value 2. If we are finding the records within that value and value 2, it is termed as a between operator. So we are selecting a particular range, including a range is termed as a between, and if we are not taking the values between the range, that means if we are excluding the range, then it is says as a not between operator. So the syntax is almost similar for both the operators. For a between and non-between, just you need to replace this between by non-between, and the syntax is select column name from table name where column name between value 1 and value 2. Here you need to specify this value 1 along with this AND operator with value 2. So let's have one example. We are going to find out the employee whose salary is ranging from 23,000 to 40,000. So query will look like this, but whose annual salary is, hence query will look like this. Select star from employee where 12 into sal, because annual salary is asked, between, see this between, and first value is 23,000 and second value is 40,000. That means this will display the result which will have the input first value as a 23,000 and second value as a 42,000. So like this you can perform the queries for a not between operator also. That's it for these operators. Next operator will get explained in next session. For your query please feel to contact me. For your query please ask your queries, dependent queries. I will solve your queries. So thanks for joining session. Thank you.